Okay, let's do a little 30-second teardown here. It's gonna be a real quick one. As soon as I find my screwdrivers of the Schwinn, so the little speedometer type deals you could get for your bike years ago, I already popped it apart. So the weird thing is, look at the way this cover was done. Oh, where'd you go? I just had you. Yeah, right here. It looks like the casement was originally designed for a CR 2025 or 32, because it's, you know, a bigger opening. But it actually takes a little small battery. So whether they plan on using the other one first or what, because even the cover has just a little piece of foam on it. But I don't know what their plans were there, but it's just kind of different. Them two little pins would make contact with the little mount that was on the bike, because this piece came off. They do the little pins with just little springs soldered on the board. This board actually looks kind of weird too. It's almost clear. Oh, what do we want? Want a little Phillips. Too far. So this board is actually stuck in there pretty good too. That's kind of interesting too. They got the wire. Huh. Oh. You need 6 screws holding this little board in. Okay, let's try that again. There we go. So, kind of what I figured. Really, really simple. What's it called? It's not chip on board, die on board underneath this blob of epoxy. We have a crystal. Can't quite make out what one it is. Couple passives. And then the gold contacts down here for What the hell, yo? I've never seen that before. Okay. So, So that little pink and black strip here, this must be conductive. Just rubber on the outside, because there you can see where the little contacts are down there for the screen. I've never seen that done though, with a little piece of conductive foam like that. Pretty thin board. Kind of a unique little thing. About the garbage. Well, I ain't gonna pop out the LCD. Not worth my time, but yeah. Interesting little design. Huh. 1 second. I didn't see them at all. Oh, that is odd too. I can't say I've ever seen that. The dome for the button is actually on the board. There's no membrane switch, and if you can see, looks like it's just epoxied on or taped on or something here. Looks like it was just taped on. Wow, I can't say I've ever seen that done before. So it's just a little piece of metal that's just making contact from this outer ring. Come on, get out of my way. It's just making contact from this outer ring to the center pin. Huh. That's definitely different. So this is actually kind of a little interesting thing to take apart. A couple different things I've never seen done before. Well, that's it. Like I said, short, quick. No numbers on the display or anything. There you go. There's what's inside of a Schwinn Bike thingy-mabobber. Have a nice night.